Hello and welcome, this is your Geek Eric, and this is Rapid Game Dev News. A quick weekly show helping you stay up to date with all things indie game dev related. Let's get to it. Next week there will be two big community game jams starting up. First is the 23rd Godot Wild Jam. Now for this jam, you will have to use the Godot game engine. And if you haven't tried it yet, this is the perfect jam for you, because there's a big Discord of people there to help suggest tutorials or point you to the right documentation. And while you're there at their Discord, you can help suggest and vote for the theme. Starting on July the 10th is the fourth game jam hosted by the awesome YouTube channel Game Maker's Toolkit. I love their videos, especially the ones about design of popular video games like the Legend of Zelda series. Moving on to new software and software updates. Godot 3.2.2 was released, bringing iOS support for C# and a pretty big performance boost with sprite batching. I've seen anywhere from a 4 times gain in a pretty realistic scenario to a 8 to 10x gain where someone had loaded in a very big map. It's absolutely amazing. As the Godot team gets closer to releasing the big version 4.0, they keep releasing these awesome blog updates. Now, if you haven't checked out their blog yet, make sure to do so. Link down below. The newest one on global illumination shines a light on an older problem that Godot had with 3D lighting. Previously, their baked lighting wasn't so hot, but now there's both real-time and baked global illumination. All you have to do is set your model that you want to be globally illuminated as static bodies and add in a couple of environment settings to your scene, and there you go, you're off to the race, you're baking. Another big release, Blender 2.83 launched as the new LTS. Now for some new to all this techno jargon, LTS just stands for long-term support release, which means the company or community will be supporting that software for 2 years to 5 years usually. In this case, I think it's a little over 2 years. And while Blender's working on 2.9, 2.91 through 2.93, they'll be backporting bug fixes into the 2.83 version. So if you've been holding on to 2.78, please jump ship now to the kind, nice waters of 2.83. Moving on to a little segment, tutorial recommendations of the week. This is a spot where if I find a tutorial and go through it, or someone recommends me a tutorial in the comments below, I'll give it a shout out here. So this past weekend, I took the Godot top-down action RPG course from the YouTube channel Heartbeast. This is a 23 video series. I've gone through about 3/4 of it so far. It's really great, especially for someone that's brand new to Godot like me. Some of the biggest takeaways that I've had from this tutorial that he explained really well was the Godot animation state tree, and the fact that in Godot you can not only target variables to animate, but you could also call methods from any frame in the animation. That's awesome. I don't think you could do that in Unity. I've edited variables before, but calling methods? Anyway, like I said, he explained that topic really well, and if you're looking to do a top-down, kind of 2.5D style combat, definitely go check it out. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas for new categories, please drop them in the comment section down below. While you're down there, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell. See you next week.